How to copy TikTok profile link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Now after updating TikTok, open up TikTok on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now on the profile page, find share profile. Next to edit profile, tap on the share profile. Now tap on copy link to copy the TikTok profile link. If you want to share the link, tap on share link. Now share the link with any friends or family. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.